I've been in Ukraine twice in my role as Goodwill UNICEF ambassador. Each time I felt completely in awe of the resilience of the children and their families amid the challenges of conflict. On my last visit, I met Milana and her sister Alicia. At just 8 years old, heavy shelling in her home city of Irpin forced her and her family to flee. The trauma she suffered also left her partially blind. Amid this nightmare, she has found somehow enough strength to experience moments of what childhood should resemble. Art therapy sessions run by UNICEF in a Kiev train station helped Milana to explore her love of drawing and process her trauma. It is our responsibility to secure a future for all Ukraine's children, one that gives them hope and opportunities. This includes making sure that they can be safe, to learn in schools, have the opportunities and skills they need to fulfill their potential, and that they grow up in protective and nurturing families, supported by adequate social services. We cannot let this war destroy Ukraine's most critical resource, its people. Investing in the country's recovery depends on investing in its children. They are the future of Ukraine.